Welcome to Appmetropolis training video. Appmetropolis is a module that allows you to create the first marketplace that catalogs apps geography. In other words, you have a Siberian CMS with many apps inside. The most of them are restaurants, shops, merchants, and so on. And each one has a position on the map. So there is a shop, there is a restaurant somewhere. With this module, you are able to create a catalog, a marketplace of apps based on the geolocation of each app. This is very powerful because it allows you to create network of apps, and this is a strategy that makes the fortune of Megaston. Now we are happy to announce that we are ready to share this powerful module to other partners of Siberian, and so you are here, you have the chance to use this module. To understand the strategy back this module, I suggest you to watch the other video that we have about Appmetropolis strategy. This is a video that explains you how to configure your module and how it works. But to understand better the strategy, I suggest to watch the other video. Okay, so when you buy from www.megamodules.com this module, you will get a license. Let's say that the first step is use update and modules here and upload the zip file that you receive from us, okay? After that, you will go in the module section and you select Appmetropolis V2. You will be in this page. Here you need to enter your license code that you will get from us, and if the license code is correct, you will see a green line like this one with the expiration date. Normally the license is yearly. Here you have the the module help URL. In the front end there is a small icon, question mark, where the people can click to have access to the user manual. By default, there is our link of Megaston, but you can set here your user manual, so you can keep hidden Megaston or any reference to Megaston. Here we have the other tab where it's possible to register a new app inside the marketplace. You can choose between the Siberian app. This means all the apps that you have on the system, and here you have the list of your apps, or you can add an external third-party app. So you can look around you, find apps that maybe are near your location, and then enter all the details of this app. Because if you are starting with the business of app selling, maybe you haven't so much apps to show. So if you want to show a marketplace that has already inside several apps, it's not a bad idea to add third-party apps that already are near you. Okay, let's see what is happening if I choose, for example, Siberian app. I can choose one app that is already in the system, and the system, if the app is already published on the store, the system is taking automatically several details here and autofill several fields. If this data is missing, you can add always manually, and also you can change manually any of these fields. Let's see what is necessary. So sure, we need the Play Store link, we need the Apple Store link, we need the web app URL. This you can retrieve in the application tab here, or in the front end under domains setting on the left menu. And here you can decide the title of the app. Here you can set the category and subcategory according to this app. I remember that all these entries can be translated on the translation tab of Siberian, and so in fact you cannot add or remove any of these entries, but you can change the name. So in fact you can customize also these entries. Here there is the description, so you can add the description of the app, and finally you can upload, for example, the icon of your app, and you can select here with the cropping and click there, and you have the icon of the app. Then optionally, so it's not mandatory, you can add the website URL of the shop or the owner of the the app, the Facebook link, the YouTube link, the email, the phone, and very important, is mandatory the address of the app. It is mandatory because this marketplace bases all the concept on the geolocation of the app. And so here is mandatory to enter the address. This is an autofill Google, and so it's sufficient to add the address and you are done. On this section you have the list of coupons, because you will see later this marketplace is not only a list, a geography list of apps, but also this module is able to list all the coupons inside these apps, and this is also why it is so powerful, because these coupons can be added from each app owner without any restriction. You have here a way to control this, and for each coupon that the system is finding inside your platform, you can decide if enable, disable, or ban. If you ban one coupon, the user of the app, the owner of the app, is not able anymore to enter a new coupon. This is like a compliance tool, because you can easily disable the coupon and send an email to your customer because maybe there is a violation of any rule of your marketplace, and ask him to fix that, and then he can enable it again. Or if this customer don't follow your rule, you can ban it forever. So it's not possible for him to add any new coupon in the system. And then finally we have Appmetropolis apps. Here you will have the list of your app and the ability to disable one app from the system. This is the back office, very simple. Also, I remember that you can change the name of the module and so have a complete white label version of this module by going, for example, in the English tab, selecting the Appmetropolis View 2 module, and then if you scroll down here, you can find Appmetropolis here. This is the name of the module. If you change this name up as you want, you have completely remove any reference to Megastone, Appmetropolis, and so on. Let's see now how it works on the front end. Here we are in the front end of Siberian. Let's go inside one app, and let's go here on the left menu. You can see that under modules we have the first menu of Appmetropolis. Let's go inside there and look what we have here. The system is taking automatically the details of Play Store link, Apple link, but you can always change it as you want. There is also the app link, and also you can change here the title of the app that we show inside the marketplace. Here you can choose the categories, description, and load your icon image. Here we have the website, Facebook, YouTube, email, and so on, and also the geolocation. If you fill all this form, you have your app listed inside the marketplace. Let's see now in the future tab what is happening with the future that we have here, Appmetropolis. You can add Appmetropolis when you want in the system, and you have it on your pages. You can add many times as you want the Appmetropolis module, and we will see why in a second. Okay, so first of all, here there is I want to open the window so we can see better the result here. Okay, so you can change the icon, change the name, and also let's see what you can do here with app view setting. So by default, let's put default here, and we can click save. The system is creating a map of what? Of the app. So we have geography on this screen, on this map, all the app near you. Okay, so first target is look what are the apps near my location. I click on the app, I see the description, I see all the information, and I have the links to go to the stores. Another functionality is the list view, so I can search the apps based on a range, distance range near me. So this is the list view. And then we have the coupon list. Let's see if I can show you another. Yes, this is another platform where we have a lot of coupons. You see, it's very nice. You can go back, look how many coupons we have. We can really check and see where are the discount, and again with the link to download the app. Okay, and here the list of coupons. Imagine you have many apps in your store and in your platform, and you have this situation. The discount based of distance, and if I click on the discount, I can open the app that contains this discount. So the concept is that instead show the offer directly, or can allow the user to use the offer directly, we invite him to install the app of the shop. Here many times I have an objection, but people will not install for sure 100 apps and so on. But I have another question. Do you think that a customer that has 100 apps of restaurant, for example, is a good customer? No, is a coupon hunter. So okay, is someone that is looking only discount, and for sure is not a good customer that merchant wants. And this is the most reason why Groupon and similar apps are really very bad for merchants. Remember that you need to be friends of a merchant, not an enemy. Okay, so and this is why they will look to you very different than other consultants, mobile consultants. So what is the scope of Appmetropolis is bring people that want to test the coupon. They download the app of the merchant, of the restaurant, they go there, they use the coupon, and only if they love this service, this restaurant, and so on, they keep the app and they will be a loyalty customer. And this is the final target, okay? So this is how it works, Appmetropolis normally. But here you can select also different views. You can, for example, select app list. App list, what is a view that is limited only to the app, and you see there are not anymore the coupons. Before I told you that you can add many times the feature. So in Appmetropolis app that I suggest you download from the stores, there are two options. One is discover the apps near you, and this is very funny. And so in this first function I enable only app list, and another is discover the offers near you. And so look what is happening if I change the view to coupon list. We have here another kind of view. I see here the logo of the apps, but if I click there, it's not anymore the app, but I see the coupons based on geolocation near me. The coupons near me. But again, I need to download the app to access these coupons. Way to build up your network of apps. You can sit down with the customer and say, hey, not only you are buying from me an app, but you will be inside a network. We will do co-marketing strategies. We collaborate with others, complementary shops. All this strategy and why we are able to sell apps for 1,500, 2,000 euro without any problem, even if it's online. If online you can see apps for 200 euro, is because we are working with circuits. As here I want to show you, for example, this is an app. Imagine that this is an app of a merchant, and you add inside an app the menu Appmetropolis. Of course, you will call this is another way, because Appmetropolis for Megaston, you will invent another name, and inside each app of your circuit there will be a section where there will be all your apps, and also where you explain how it works, and also where you link your network app. And so by clicking there, you open, let's say, your network app. Yes, because this module is useful to be installed inside the apps that you are creating, and also you are able to create an app standalone that will be the network app, where you list all the apps that are inside your circuit. Here, for example, you see we use this nice layout. Here we have the offers near you. You click there and you see all the offers based on geolocation. So here we can find, for example, that here there is an app, okay? We can see all the coupons that are near me based on geolocation. So here there is the gasoline offer near me, 3 kilometers, okay?
Welcome to Appmetropolis, the first directory in the world that catalogs apps for iPhone and Android geography. We're the new way to discover activities in your area with discounts and exclusive offers all around you. Enter the name of your city, choose the product category, and on the map, find the apps for iPhone and Android that interest you most. Each app hides an exclusive offer for you. You've got it right. Appmetropolis only catalogs apps if they have an advantage for you inside. I'm sure you're curious, so what are you waiting for? Search, select, download, and get pampered and be amazed.